Hi, I'm Lily, and this is what a day in the life as a digital design nomad looks like staying in Bali Ubud. I start off the morning going for breakfast in our beautiful villa, which is called Mira, which is 10-minute drive from the local town centre. Today we decided to pop down and explore Ubud Art Market, where we looked at clothes and jewellery, but they had so many beautiful other items that were made by the locals. After shopping and buying some really lovely stuff, I was craving pad thai so badly, so we found a local restaurant that served it. It was getting quite hot out, so we headed back to the hotel to have our hour swim to cool down and to just enjoy the sunshine. After, I did a little bit of yoga out on the balcony to just help stretch out my muscles. In the afternoon, I sat down to do some work, and I was working on editing photos and working on my startup. Later on in the evening, we got dinner at the hotel in the evening. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave any comments below related to design or digital nomad life. Also, you can head over to my Instagram, Digital Design Nomad, to follow me along on my journey around the world, building my design agency and exploring different countries.